Hey creators, today I'll show you how to create a cool outline effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. It's a perfect way to make your videos pop and add a touch of style. So let's get started. So we are back in the interface of Adobe Premiere Pro, and today we'll create that cool outline effect that you have seen in most of the edit channels. So firstly, make a duplicate of the video. For that, select the layer, select the video and press Alt and drag it above. So here we make a duplicate of it. Now go to effects, and if you don't find the effects panel, just go to Windows and you can activate from here. Now go to effects and search for fine edges and just drag and drop that effect to your timeline. Just drag and drop like this. It created a sketch cartoon effect, and if you want this you can go with it. Now go to effects and control, and from here change the opacity from normal to screen and just scroll this a little down and just click on invert. Now bring your time indicator at starting and hold shift and single click on the forward arrow. Just hold shift and single click like this. Now just shift the duplicate layer a little forward like this, so it will create a late outline effect on it. Now just cut the main targeted frame in which you want the outline effect. So we go to around this and just dragging like this, and we'll cut this layer. Okay, we'll cut from here. Just cut and delete this layer. Just press delete on your keyboard to delete the frame. We'll zoom it a little bit like this. Now we just need to dissolve the outlines that we created. So for that, just cross here, just go to video transition, and from here click on dissolve, and from here just single click on the cross dissolve and drag and drop to your timeline. Now single click on the dissolve and just decrease the time duration of it. And we also want a fade effect at the end, so we'll drag another one at the end and also decrease the duration of it like this. And now if you play this, okay, we'll increase the duration of this like around 9 or 11 like this. Okay, it's done. So we see the before and after. So this is the before and this is the after. So it created a major impact on a video, and like this you can create your own edits and make this outline effect on it. Thanks for tuning in, and if you find this tutorial helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. And if you want to learn text animation and motion graphics, the link is here, you can check it out. So I'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay creative and make your videos standing out.